Many people eat spaghetti. You probably do too. Some people put meatballs inside their spaghetti. Although, due to the high fat content, meatballs aren't the healthiest. How do we fix this? Well, some people, to cut down on carbs, eat zucchini grated into noodles instead of noodles, which has a lot of carbs. Like zoodles, you can incorporate zucchini into meatballs, a healthier option opposed to meat.
Hi, my name is Jaden, and I will teach you how to make zucchini meatballs.
All you need is 3 medium-sized zucchini, 3/4 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 beaten egg, 1 cup panko breadcrumbs, half cup Parmesan cheese, some salt and pepper for taste, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, and some olive oil. Now that you got your ingredients, we could start. But first, we have to wash our hands. Remember, you have to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. It may seem like I'm washing my hands very fast, but this is me going in 4 times speed, and you can't do that. So don't wash your hands this fast. Now, you have to wash your 3 zucchinis very thoroughly to wash away all the dirt and grime. You don't want to eat that. Once you're done washing, cut the ends of the zucchini. When cutting, make sure to curl your fingers a little so you don't cut yourself. Get your zucchini, a bowl, grater, and a towel. Then, line your bowl with a towel, like this. Once you've done that, grate the zucchini and put it into the bowl, or grate it directly into the bowl. Only do 1 zucchini at a time. Grate your zucchini slowly so you don't grate your fingers off. This might take a while, so in the meantime, here are some facts about zucchini. It could be light green, dark green, yellow, and orange. It takes 50 to 60 days to harvest. Frozen zucchini will keep for 10 months to a year. The word zucchini means small gourd. Despite it looking like a vegetable, it's actually a fruit. Zucchini has 324 grams potassium, 37% vitamin C, 10% vitamin B6, 5% magnesium, and 2% iron in 1 cup. Don't get too greedy and grate the whole zucchini. This next part is a bit hard, so try to follow along. Put your zucchini inside the bowl if you haven't already. Grab the sides of the towel, like this. Then squeeze. Squeeze until all the juice comes out. Try to twist it to get as much juice as possible. Put your dried zucchini into a separate bowl and empty the juices inside the other bowl. Now grate and squeeze the other zucchini. Now, put your squeezed zucchini with the zucchini you put in the separate bowl. Now grate and squeeze your last zucchini. Put all your zucchini together for one final squeezing. Put some salt for taste and to help out take out juices. Empty out the juices from the bowl and plop your zucchini in. Beat up your egg and put it in with your zucchini. Then put all the rest of the ingredients that I told you at the beginning, except olive oil, and mix it in. Roll your zucchini batter into meatball shapes. You should have about 12. Go to your stove with a pan and turn up the heat to medium high. Put a little bit of olive oil, followed by your meatballs. Flip them once they have a little char. Children should have an adult assist you so you don't burn yourself or anything else. Once one is done, you could put it in a separate bowl. All the sides don't have to be fully cooked. And now you're done.
Don't forget to turn off the stove.
You could serve with spaghetti or eat it by itself. Now it's time for tasting. It's crunchy on the outside, but soft on the inside. It doesn't taste just like a vegetable. It kind of tastes like a meatball. I can't believe I made this all by myself. Wow, that was some good zucchini meatballs. Next time, we're gonna make zucchini lollipops. It's just like zucchini on a stick, but good. See you there.